we got here is a 289 fuel linkage kit that I got from CJ Ponies, and that is going to be to replace the setup that I have right here, which is basically just a bunch of wires connecting that. And it looks like this is actually backwards, or it's just a different one altogether. I also had this has the spring just connected to here and pulling back right here on this. Clearly that's not the best way to go about it, so we're gonna see if we can install this. I saw one other video on this, but I'm gonna go ahead and see what I can figure out on this. All right, so first thing I did is I took that round rubber grommet that you saw over here and went ahead and popped it through here. Next, what I'm gonna do is pop that end through that side and put the washer, and then go ahead and put that cotter pin in. Now what you'll see I did here is I took that plastic rubber piece, it looks almost like a washer on one end and a tube on the other side, and I pushed it through right there, through the other side of that rubber grommet, and I put the washer on the inside, and I went ahead and put that cotter pin through there. And that looks to me like the best way to do this. Yes, you could put the washer on the outside, but that doesn't make sense to me. It makes sense to have the washer on the inside and have that plastic insert go through the grommet on the outside. Now, if you guys know a reason or know that it's supposed to be the opposite way, please let me know. All right, guys, so got this installed. I put that that little metal bracket right inside here. Before I pushed this through, I pushed this linkage through one side of it, pushed it through the other side, pushed this little metal piece through the other side, and then pushed the linkage all the way through it. Clip this down. As far as back there, what I did is I put the rubber grommet through that piece. I took the little tube that has like a washer on the outside of it and pushed it from this side in, and then I put a washer on the other side and I pushed this side through, and I put the cotter pin through that. Now, as far as this spring, I installed it here. It made sense. I've seen things look similar to that. I don't know exactly if that is how it is. If you guys have any other suggestions on installing this the quote-unquote right way, let me know. It's better than what I had on it. So that's what I'm gonna leave it as.